We're making a pit stop. We're stopping by the Tech Castle, aka Periphio, aka Blair Tech, aka probably 5 other companies. So, are you all ready? Shall we go in?
All right, before we step inside, let me first explain who Periphio is and how we got this opportunity. It all started when these guys made a video reviewing a pre-built PC from this company. They ordered the PC from Walmart and got a PC worse than expected. It wasn't until these guys called us and told us that wasn't a real Periphio PC. These guys went above and beyond to personally hand deliver a real Periphio PC that we should have got. After a good visit, the Periphio guys invited us to come see their place over an hour away. Matt got sick, so the rest of us drove from PCBros to Tech Castle to see what their operation was all about. Now that you're all caught up with the lore, let me guide you through this Tech Willy Wonka factory. Starting with Tech Castle. Tech Castle is owned and operated by Blair Tech, which has been running out of the old Johnny's Toy building in northern Kentucky since 2012. What was once a dream birthday party place for kids is now a dream tech paradise for adults. My favorite part of Tech Castle had to be this room right here. Before walking in, they told us that the gamer song was going to start playing, and this is what we heard. This is only one of the businesses running out of this huge space, so let's check out the next one. Behind Tech Castle runs a large-scale PC selling business that absolutely blew our minds. Not only was the amount of PCs and employees impressive, but they also had something we did not expect. This section was dedicated to their pre-built PC business, Periphio. Seeing their process for building and testing PCs reminded us a lot of PCBros, but on a much larger scale. This line of busy 3D printers ensures Periphio is always in stock of I/O shields, hard drive caddies, and pretty much whatever they want. After a lot of walking, it was time to visit the break room. This section of the building used to be home to a daycare/kids party zone called Totter Otterville. Now the employees of the businesses in this huge building can enjoy lunch in an abandoned real-life Five Nights at Freddy's. They even surprised us by treating us to lunch at their full-time staffed kitchen. Here they serve food all day to employees at cost, so it's a very convenient and nice option for them. After lunch, they showed us the other half of this section of the building, which included some cozy office space and even a massive studio. We were really impressed with this studio and can't wait to collab with them in the future. Brian and Ethan were so nice to give us this private tour experience. And it's crazy to think that this relationship was all formed because of some pre-built scam. This was a very inspiring trip for all of us, and we are really excited to see what else they can do with this huge space. If you would like to learn more about Tech Castle or any of the businesses that we saw, check out their website right here. You can also find them on YouTube at Periphio. This is where you can watch the video that they did for ToastyBros giving them that PC. Let us know what collabs that you think would be cool for us to do with them. Thank you so much for watching this little tour. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.